Hi, I'm Jill, principal designer and owner of Jewelry Designs in Ridgeville, Connecticut. Welcome to our most recently finished project, our Intown estate renovation. Currently, we are in the master suite, and I'm going to share with you some of the changes that we made in here in order to make this room a more warm, sanctuary-like. So we basically started with the floors. We've lightened up the walls by adding in this beautiful, warm white. They needed a little bit more storage, so we had this built by Kingswood. Here we added a beautiful area rug, which also lightens up the space. The floors are on the darker side, so this is what gives this room a lighter feel as well. This beautiful headboard we customized. This is something that you can also have from us. We customize these. You can select whatever fabric that you want, as well as these pillows. All here, these three especially, are here available with us, and these ones here are custom. And the beautiful bedding we also curated with adding this white and then beautiful colors throughout, the soft blue and violet. Adding in a chair is always convenient too, as well as a bench at the end of the bed.